Welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese. We're here in my kitchen again. This is another clean with me video in my small kitchen, and I'm going to tidy up. First, I'm gonna start by spraying the stove while I do other things. And yeah, thank you for coming. Don't forget to like the video if you like it, and comment down below. Thank you so much for subscribing to all my subscribers. And I am a mama of three and a working mom. And as much as I can, I try to clean, and most of the time is on the weekend. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. I usually start by putting all the stuff away, and before I start any cleaning or washing any dishes, then that way I have a clear vision of where what I need to do. And yeah, this morning it's not that many dishes that I have to wash because everything is in a dishwasher, and I'm just gonna clean the dishes that are in the sink and then clean the counters, and that'll be pretty much it for the kitchen area. And yeah, like I said, I'm a mom. My name is Therese. If you're new, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe after watching the video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm loving the new Dawn spray. I usually have a big soap dispenser, but I love this one. You can just spray and clean, and it's much better. And I don't know what about you, mamas. I talk to mamas because that's my channel is mostly for moms or women, working women. So after I wash all the plastic or the plastic stuff, or even the glass ones, I just put them away, and then I wash the sink, and I move from there, and I'll just wash I'll just clean the stove and the microwave and all the counters. And sorry for the background noise. I have all my kids just laying around while I'm doing this voiceover. Change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn, can you stay and I will grow? After I wash all the dishes, I usually do the baby's bottle, and after that I'll just let them dry, and sometimes I sanitize them. I have a little sanitizer, but right now I'm just washing them sorry, with warm soapy water, and that would just be it. and I'll just let them air dry.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mysteries. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you.
I'm now going to clean the stove and the counters. At first, I sprayed it. I sprayed so it can be easier to clean the grease and mostly. And I usually just use the cleaner, or I don't like to use bleach. Once in a while, I'll do that, but it's just the grease since I cook a lot with oil. So, and after that I'm going to pick up all the stuff from the counter. The counter is pretty much where I put everything from grocery shopping, from everything from outside. I just come and put them on the counter.
What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
I don't know if you noticed, but I like using microfiber cloths or cleaners. I get them for either Walmart or Target, and they really clean good. They really clean good. You should get some if you don't have that. If you don't have microfiber cloth or washcloth.
But I'll change it, change it.
If you're gotten this far and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like I said, I'm a mom of three, and I work full time, and I do videos on cleaning, cooking, and mainly Congolese food from Congo, from Africa. Yeah, I just love to share my video and share just cooking or cleaning tips. And yeah, subscribe to my little family, and thank you so much for all the subscribers. And I can't wait to be able to go live pretty soon. And I'll put down when I'll be able to go live, or what time or what day. So thank you so much, and yeah, subscribe.
God will change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna be loved by you. I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna be loved by you. I wanna be, 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 I wanna be loved by you.
After picking up everything from the counter, I'm going to now clean the counters. And after that, I'll do the floors. So don't go away, just wait, and go after watching this video, go watch my next video, which will be cleaning the floors and the living area and the stairs. So go ahead and watch that after this. Thank you for continuing to watching my videos. And yeah, I'm so happy to share all these videos. And again, thank you so much.
To fix it, love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change
I don't think I mentioned that I was using the method cleaning or daily cleaning. For this one I'm using, it can be for a surface cleaner or counters, and the other one was for woods, which I'm gonna use in the living area and the cabinets and all that stuff. So yeah, right. I like to clean and dance and play some music. So that's what I was doing. I've been doing that. It helps me clean faster. Just listening to music and and cleaning while it helps me clean faster. All right. I don't know. What about you, mamas? What do you usually do while cleaning? What helps you clean faster? Do you usually put some music too and dance to music while you're cleaning?
I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it.
If you got in this far with me, thank you so much for continuing to watch, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you have not done so. And thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. This is as much as I can go. My space is looking clean as far as the counters, the dish area, and sorry for my kid, is really happy watching his stuff. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.